Hi everyone, welcome back to Melodee Crochet Nook. I hope you're all doing great, having a great week, and yeah, just welcome back to my channel here on Melodee Crochet Nook. We go over different crochet projects that I've been working on, and I share a little bit about what's going on in my life and share a little bit of scripture with you as well. So if you like these kinds of channels, please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and do the little notification bell, just so if you want to know when I post a video, which I do try to do at least once a week. Sometimes I'm not able to do it every week. Sometimes I'm able to do it 2 times a week. So it really just depends on what my schedule has allowed me to do and different things like that. So anyway, so this week I crocheted quite a bit, and I have a couple of exciting things to talk to you about, and one thing to get suggestions and feedback on. So please let me know once I get to it. Let me know what you think, because I value your guys' opinions and your thoughts, and would love to hear your thoughts on it. So so we all have goals. My goal for this last week was to finish up my cardigan, and I barely touched it. I just have one sleeve left to do, and maybe the trim. Like, I am still deciding if I want to do like a border around the bottom edge and along the center. Is that what it's called? Just along the edges in front. So I have nothing new to show you. I'll try to get to it, but you'll see why in a minute, why I wasn't able to do it. So I was chosen to do a tester call that I believe comes out today, Sunday, or tomorrow on Monday. I'm going to double check and make sure I am allowed to share. I'm just gonna lower you. That I'm allowed to share with you guys all of the details of it. I'm going to show you what I made, but the details of it I will post down below once I am able to. So like the link to the pattern and all of that, and who it's by. Oh, this little guy, he's really cute. This was the first one I made, and so I messed up on him, but he's really cute. Yeah, just a little guy. And then this was done in Bernat Velvet, and then these two were done with Bernat Blanket. And again, I'm going to post all of the information down below when I'm free to do so. But yeah, these are really cute. They turned out super cute. I need to tighten this up a little bit, but yeah, super cute little turtles. And then last week I had shown you a picture of the pattern that I sent off to someone as a commission, and Ellie really wanted one, so I made another one. So here she is, and she's super cute. Oh, and Ellie made something as well, and I'm going to insert a little clip here of her sharing it with you. Hey.
Hi.
Ellie wanted to show you what she made.
This is a turtle. This pattern is from Jade on Etsy.
Yeah, it's the Tiana No So turtle. And what yarn did you use?
I used Promel yarn, Parfait Chunky, and Bloom Chanel.
Yeah, it's
Bloom
really...
Chanel is the shell, and Parfait Chunky is
the rest of it. Yeah.
Skin color, whatever.
Yeah. And then the glitter ice. You want to show them the glitter ice? It's really cute, Ellie.
Thanks.
All right. Let's say bye.
Bye.
And she's doing so well. I'm really proud of her and all of her creations that she's making. Okay. So, last week I had also shown you something that looked like this, but a little bit different. This is a cup cozy, and I fixed it. This is a new one. So this is just a cup cozy that I made. I will link the video down below on how I made it, but it's really cute. And then I made I'm starting 2 more bags of the Granny Square bags. So there's this one, and right now it's holding my scissors and a needle while I make these and more of them. So what is going on is my friend is opening up a flower farm and a market, and she had asked me to be kind of a vendor at her market. So I am trying to prep some floral items to sell there at the farm, and just hearing her vision for it and everything, it's amazing. So yeah, I really wanted to support her and help bring business to her, as well as being able to sell some of my things at her market. So if you have any favorite floral things, let me know. Floral makes. I wanted to do some coasters and these bags and maybe larger bags, lots of these cup cozies and some keychains and all kinds of things. So I'll be working on those while also trying to prep for December, which, yes, I know, far away from now, but the faster I do it, the better. What else was I gonna share with you? Oh, so I have been doing some praying and considering about the direction of my business, of my crochet business and things like that. I'm still going to be crocheting and all that, but I was thinking of changing the name of my company to Melodee Grace Co. And I'm not sure if that's exactly the direction I want to go, or if I want to stay with Melodee Crochet Nook. So my hesitation is only because I already have some things developed with Melodee Crochet Nook, such as my website, my YouTube videos, and all that. And on the channel, I would still do the majority of crochet and things like that. But I think the reason I wanted to change it, there's 2 main reasons. I love the Lord's grace. I definitely love the Lord's grace. He is so gracious and merciful and all that. But I really want to start bringing in more opportunities to share the gospel. Not that adding grace is going to change anything, but like I want to start putting some verses on business cards and all of the things that go out. So that's one thing. The second thing is, if I don't always want to do crochet, I want to have that available within my name, within my business name to do. Because with Melodee Crochet Nook, everything is going to be crochet, or the majority of it. But if I do Melodee Grace Co., then if I am led in a different direction to branch off or do other things, then I can do that freely and not feel bound to only doing crochet things. So I have been playing around with like a logo and stuff like that, so I'm gonna pop a logo at one of those places, I'm not sure. So I'll pop up a logo, and yeah, just let me know your thoughts on that whole thing. And if I were to do other arts and crafts and other things like that, is that something that you would want to hear about? Or are you only here for crochet? I guess that's one of my concerns. And if the majority of you are only here for crochet, that's amazing. I will stick to just crochet. And I don't even have any plans that I've been working on for anything else yet, but like even doing like little keychains made with like wooden beads, or just different things like that. So yeah, just let me know your thoughts, and I would just love to hear them. So my verse tonight: and he said to me, my grace is sufficient for you, for my strength is made perfect in weakness. Therefore, most gladly, I will rather boast in my infirmities, that the power of Christ may rest upon me. 2 Corinthians 12:9. Okay, so that verse is very powerful, and I love it. I love that verse. So in my weakness, Christ's strength is made perfect in my weakness, and therefore we should be boasting in the things that have happened to us for the Lord's sake, and seeing how the Lord has brought us out of those things and has worked them for good. So yeah, let me know your thoughts on this, and if I should have that verse be a part of my business, and how you feel about it being Melodee Grace Co. instead of Melodee Crochet Nook. So yeah, just let me know all your thoughts. I would love it. And if you have any prayers or anything, let me know that too. I would love to be here for you, to pray for you, and to just cheer you on. So if you have a praise report, prayer request, just want to say hi, chat, all my information is in the description box, including my email, my Instagram, and Facebook group. So come say hi. I would love to talk with you. Oh, also, do you see this? Back here, it is, can't really see it very well, but for my birthday I got a big thing of flowers, beautiful flowers. I loved them. So there's this big tall glass, it's not glass, it's like plastic, and it's a big vase, and I decided to put in some of my balls of yarn, like the leftover skeins that are in balls. So I just put them in there, and then it's perfect. It fits perfectly inside of my big cinchro, and up above, you can't really tell, but the little cinchro sitting right on top of it. I don't know how safe that's going to be with the cats, so I might have to take care of that. But anyway, I hope you are all having a really blessed day, and I will see you next time. All right, take care.